As a business owner, one of your most important responsibilities is managing finances effectively. Whether you run a startup, a small business, or a growing enterprise, tracking your business expenses is vital for maintaining healthy cash flow, maximizing profits, and ensuring long-term sustainability. However, with so many categories of expenses to consider, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Understanding and tracking your business expenses allows you to make informed decisions, avoid unnecessary costs, and stay compliant with tax regulations. Additionally, keeping a close eye on your financial outflows helps you identify areas where you can cut costs or invest more efficiently. This video covers the top 10 business expenses that every entrepreneur should track today to maintain a strong financial foundation. 1. Rent or mortgage payments. Why it matters. Rent or mortgage payments are one of the largest ongoing expenses for most businesses, especially if you own or lease office space, a storefront, or a warehouse. Tracking these payments is essential for budgeting and managing cash flow. What to do? Whether you're leasing or have purchased property, keep track of the rent or mortgage payments, including any associated costs such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance fees. These payments often recur monthly, so ensure they're included in your long-term financial projections. Tip: consider renegotiating your lease or mortgage terms if you find the payments become a strain on your finances. Also, if you have a commercial property, factor in repair and upkeep costs, which can add to the overall expense. 2. Employee salaries and wages. Why it matters. Labor costs can account for a significant portion of your business expenses. Tracking employee salaries and wages ensures you can manage payroll effectively and stay compliant with tax and employment regulations. What to do? Record each employee's salary or hourly wage, along with any bonuses, overtime pay, or commissions. Track payroll taxes, such as Social Security, Medicare, and unemployment insurance, and ensure you comply with federal, state, and local tax rates. Tip: automate your payroll process using software tools like Gusto or ADP to save time and avoid errors. Also, regularly review employee compensation to ensure your wages are competitive within your industry and location. 3. Office supplies and equipment. Why it matters. Office supplies and equipment are essential for day-to-day operations, but they can quickly become an area where businesses overspend. Monitoring these expenses ensures you're staying within your budget and that you're purchasing only what's necessary. What to do? Track your purchases for office supplies like paper, pens, printer ink, and other small items. For larger equipment purchases like computers, furniture, or machinery, keep a record of the initial investment and any maintenance or repair costs. Tip: look for cost-effective solutions and consider buying in bulk or renting equipment when appropriate. Explore online retailers and office supply discounts to save money. 4. Utilities, electricity, water, internet, and phone. Why it matters. Utility expenses are often recurring and can vary depending on your business size and location. Keeping track of utility costs is important for budgeting, as well as identifying areas where you can potentially reduce consumption and lower bills. What to do? Track your utility bills for electricity, water, gas, internet, and phone services. Review your usage regularly and check if you can switch providers for better rates or lower cost plans. Tip: consider energy-efficient upgrades to reduce electricity bills, such as LED lighting, programmable thermostats, or equipment that uses less energy. Similarly, shop around for cheaper internet and phone service plans. 5. Marketing and advertising costs. Why it matters. Marketing and advertising are crucial to growing your business and attracting customers. However, these expenses can quickly add up, and tracking them allows you to determine which strategies are delivering the best return on investment, ROI. What to do? Record the cost of advertising campaigns, including online ads, Google, Facebook, Instagram, print ads, radio spots, or TV commercials. Track the expenses for any branding, design work, or promotional events. Additionally, factor in social media management tools, email marketing services, or website design. Tip: use analytics tools to measure the performance of your marketing campaigns, such as Google Analytics or Facebook Ads Manager. By doing so, you can adjust your marketing strategy and optimize your budget for maximum ROI. 6. Inventory costs. Why it matters. If your business involves selling products, tracking inventory costs is essential for maintaining a healthy profit margin. The cost of raw materials, finished goods, and shipping supplies all factor into your inventory expenses. What to do? Record the costs of purchasing inventory items, including any shipping and handling fees. Monitor your inventory turnover to ensure that you're not overstocking or holding onto excess goods, as this can increase storage costs and reduce profitability. Tip: use inventory management software, like TradeGecko or NetSuite, to track stock levels in real time and automate the reordering process. This helps to prevent stockouts or excessive overstocking, both of which can be costly. 7. Insurance premiums. Why it matters. Insurance is an essential expense for protecting your business from unforeseen risks, such as property damage, liability claims, or employee injuries. However, insurance premiums can be expensive, so it's important to track these costs to ensure they're in line with your budget. What to do? Keep track of all business insurance policies, including general liability, property, workers' compensation, and health insurance. Record your premium payments and review your coverage regularly to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Tip: shop around for insurance providers and compare rates. Many insurers offer bundling discounts when you purchase multiple policies together, so consider combining your coverage to save on premiums. 8. Software and technology subscriptions. Why it matters. Many businesses rely on software and technology tools to operate efficiently, whether for accounting, project management, communication, or customer relationship management, CRM. Subscriptions to these services can add up, so tracking them is key to keeping costs under control. What to do? Track all recurring software subscriptions, such as cloud storage, CRM tools, like Salesforce, accounting software, QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or project management tools, Trello, Asana. Make sure you're aware of all licenses, renewals, and user fees. Tip: regularly review your software subscriptions to ensure you're not paying for unused features or outdated plans. Consider switching to more affordable alternatives if your business needs change. 9. Travel and meal expenses. Why it matters. If your business requires travel or entertaining clients, tracking travel and meal expenses is essential for managing cash flow and staying within your budget. These costs can include transportation, lodging, meals, and incidental expenses like tips or Wi-Fi. What to do? Keep detailed records of your travel expenses, including receipts for flights, hotels, car rentals, meals, and other travel-related costs. If you're reimbursing employees for travel, ensure that these expenses are well documented. Tip: implement a travel policy to standardize how travel expenses are tracked and reimbursed. Consider using travel expense management tools like Expensify to automate tracking and reporting. 10. Professional fees, legal, accounting, and consulting. Why it matters. Professional services, such as legal advice, accounting support, and business consulting, are essential for compliance and growth. These expenses can be substantial, but they're necessary for protecting your business and ensuring long-term success. What to do? Record all payments to legal, accounting, or consulting professionals. This includes retainer fees, hourly rates, and project-based costs. These professionals help with things like tax filings, business formation, contracts, and strategic business decisions. Tip: shop around for professional services and evaluate the value you're receiving. Sometimes, opting for a fixed-price service rather than hourly rates can help you control costs more effectively. Tracking your business expenses is not just about staying compliant. It's about ensuring the financial health of your company and making informed decisions that fuel growth. By keeping an eye on the 10 business expenses mentioned above, you'll have a clear picture of your cash flow, reduce unnecessary spending, and position your business for long-term success. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to tracking business expenses. Using accounting software and setting up processes to monitor expenses on a regular basis will make this task much easier and provide a better understanding of your financial health. This proactive approach to financial management will not only help you make better decisions but also give you peace of mind knowing that your business is financially sound and audit-ready. By taking the time to track these expenses, you'll set your business up for financial success and sustainability. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your business's financial management, These expense categories are crucial to monitor on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Stay organized, stay vigilant, and keep your business on the path to success.